Have you ever wondered if something as simple as natural oils could protect and even heal your eyes as you age? As the years pass, many of us notice changes in our vision, dryness, irritation, or the slow fading of clarity we once took for granted. The truth is, our eyes, just like the rest of our body, crave nourishment, and the right oils can deliver exactly that. In this video, we're diving into 4 powerful oils that have been shown to support eye health in remarkable ways. Each one works differently. Some soothe dryness, some strengthen against age-related decline, and others protect from the damage of time. And here's the best part: they're natural, gentle, and surprisingly effective. Stay tuned until the end, because you'll not only discover which oils can make a real difference for your eyes, but also how to use them safely so you can enjoy clearer, more comfortable vision in your daily life. You may find that these simple remedies could change how you care for your eyes forever. Now, well, let's get started. Number 1. Castor oil for dry eyes. One of the clearest signs of aging is the uncomfortable dryness that creeps into our eyes. Many women and men in their 70s and 80s describe a constant itch, a burning feeling, or the sense that sand is caught beneath their eyelids. Castor oil has long been valued as a natural way to bring relief. This thick, soothing oil coats the surface of the eye, helping to lock in moisture and reduce irritation. Instead of reaching only for artificial tears, castor oil offers a more lasting sense of comfort because it forms a protective layer that keeps the eyes from drying out too quickly. What makes castor oil effective is its unique fatty acid profile. These fatty acids act almost like a cushion, slowing the evaporation of tears and calming the surface of the eye. When the eye feels less irritated, people blink more naturally, which further supports moisture and clarity. Think of it as oiling a hinge that has become stiff and squeaky over the years. Once that hinge is lubricated, it moves smoothly again. In much the same way, castor oil helps tired eyes regain ease and fluidity. Consider William, a 79-year-old who struggled with dryness every evening. His eyes often grew red and scratchy by bedtime, leaving him frustrated and restless. After learning about castor oil drops, he cautiously gave them a try. Within days, he noticed less burning and greater comfort, and he began sleeping more peacefully because his eyes no longer bothered him at night. His story reflects what many seniors experience. The simple act of soothing dryness can change not only how the eyes feel, but also how much ease one carries through the day. Psychologically, relief from discomfort does more than restore eye health, it restores confidence. When your eyes are not constantly irritated, you appear more relaxed, more open, and more engaged with the world around you. Others respond to that energy, often remarking that you look more at ease. Castor oil, though simple, is powerful because it addresses both the physical symptom and the emotional strain that comes with it. This makes it a vital tool for keeping your eyes not only comfortable, but expressive of the vitality you still carry. Number 2. Fish oil rich in omega-3. Another challenge many people face as they age is the slow decline in sharpness of vision. You may notice more difficulty reading small print, more strain when driving at night, or even a sense that your eyes tire quickly. One of the key reasons behind these changes is inflammation within the tiny blood vessels and tissues that nourish the eyes. This is where fish oil, particularly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, shows its power. Omega-3 SARs are essential nutrients that the body cannot produce on its own. They play a crucial role in reducing inflammation, improving blood flow, and supporting the delicate cells of the retina, the part of the eye responsible for capturing light and forming images. When inflammation is reduced, the eyes function more smoothly, and the tissues responsible for vision can do their job without constant irritation or stress. Many eye specialists encourage older adults to make omega-3 SARs a consistent part of their diet or supplement routine because of this protective effect. Take Susan, an 80-year-old woman who began noticing that her eyes watered constantly, yet still felt fatigued. Her doctor suggested adding a daily fish oil supplement. Within weeks, Susan found that her eyes were less irritated, and she could enjoy her evening reading without constant breaks. The improvement wasn't dramatic overnight, but steady, and it gave her back the simple pleasure of reading a good book without discomfort. From a psychological perspective, these benefits extend beyond just vision. When your eyes function more comfortably, you experience less frustration and more freedom. You don't worry as much about whether you'll be able to enjoy a movie with your grandchildren or finish a crossword puzzle without strain. Fish oil not only strengthens the physical foundation of eye health, but also reduces the quiet anxiety that can come with fading vision. That sense of reassurance is deeply empowering. Omega-3s also carry broader benefits, supporting heart health, calming inflammation throughout the body, and even improving mood. So when you add fish oil for your eyes, you're not just helping your vision, you're strengthening your overall vitality. It's one of those rare habits that ripple out to touch nearly every part of your well-being, which makes it an invaluable choice after 70. If you're still watching this video and finding these insights valuable, please comment number 2 below to let me know you're here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss any videos. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Now let's move forward. Number 3. Coconut oil for eye and eyelid health. While many people think of coconut oil only for cooking or skin care, it also has surprising benefits for eye health, especially when it comes to the eyelids and the delicate skin around the eyes. As we grow older, it's common to experience irritation along the lash line, clogged oil glands, or even bacterial buildup that leaves the eyes feeling gritty and uncomfortable. Coconut oil's natural antibacterial and antifungal properties can help reduce these problems while gently nourishing the skin. The medium-chain fatty acids in coconut oil work almost like a natural shield, protecting the eyelids from dryness and microbial irritation. This is important because the eyelids play a critical role in eye comfort. They distribute tears evenly and keep the surface of the eye clean. When the lids are dry, irritated, or inflamed, the whole eye suffers. By supporting eyelid health, coconut oil indirectly helps the eyes remain clearer and more comfortable. Consider John, a 76-year-old who often woke up with crusty, irritated eyelids. He tried various cleansers, but found them too harsh, leaving his skin red and sore. When he gently applied a small amount of coconut oil to his eyelids before bed, he began waking up with less irritation and fewer problems along his lash line. He shared that his eyes not only felt healthier, but he also felt more confident meeting people face to face because the redness around his eyes had calmed. Psychologically, the appearance of our eyes matters more than we often admit. When your eyelids are irritated or swollen, others may perceive you as tired or unwell, but when your eyes look calm and bright, you project energy and vitality. Coconut oil offers this subtle but meaningful improvement. It doesn't just soothe the skin, it restores how you are seen and how you see yourself. The beauty of coconut oil lies in its gentleness. Unlike harsh products, it doesn't strip away natural moisture. Instead, it supports balance for seniors who want to maintain comfort, clarity, and a sense of youthful brightness in their eyes. This simple oil can make a remarkable difference. It shows that sometimes the answers to our health concerns are not in complex treatments, but in natural remedies that have been with us all along. Number 4. Vitamin E oil for protection against aging. One of the greatest threats to our vision as we age is oxidative stress, the slow, invisible damage caused by free radicals that build up over time. This stress affects the cells of the eyes, especially the lens and retina, leading to problems like cloudiness, blurred vision, or age-related decline. Vitamin E oil stands out as a natural protector against this process. Its powerful antioxidant properties help shield the eyes from cellular damage, slowing the effects of aging and supporting long-term clarity. Vitamin E works by neutralizing free radicals before they can harm delicate eye tissues. Think of it like a bodyguard standing between your eyes and the wear and tear of daily life. By reducing oxidative damage, vitamin E oil not only helps preserve vision, but also lessens the risk of more serious age-related eye conditions over the years. For many seniors, incorporating vitamin E, whether through diet, supplements, or gentle oil application, can feel like giving the eyes a second line of defense. Take Linda, an 82-year-old who worried about her gradual loss of sharpness in reading and sewing, activities she loved dearly. After learning about vitamin E, she began adding it into her daily routine. Over time, she noticed not only a slower progression of her eye strain, but also that her eyes felt less fatigued. More importantly, she regained her confidence in enjoying the hobbies that brought her joy, which made her feel more independent and alive. The psychological power here cannot be overstated. Knowing you are actively protecting your eyes helps reduce fear about the future. Instead of focusing on what might be lost, you shift your attention to what can still be preserved. That sense of control is deeply comforting, and it reflects outwardly in the way you carry yourself. People notice when you live with assurance rather than worry. And vitamin E oil helps provide that reassurance. When combined with a healthy lifestyle, vitamin E oil gives your eyes a better chance to stay clear, strong, and expressive. After 70, it's not just about preventing problems, it's about embracing habits that keep your eyes aligned with the vibrancy you feel within. This simple oil is a reminder that even in later years, small choices can yield meaningful protection and peace of mind. If you're still here and finding these insights valuable, drop a number 4 in the comments so I know you've made it this far. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss out on future videos. Your support truly helps us keep creating content designed to inform and inspire you. Final thoughts. As we wrap up, take a moment to reflect on the 4 natural oils we explored today. Castor oil to ease dryness, fish oil to nourish the retina and calm inflammation, coconut oil to protect the eyelids and lashes, and vitamin E oil to guard against the gradual effects of aging. Each one serves a unique purpose, yet all share the same mission, helping your eyes stay clearer, healthier, and more comfortable as the years pass. What makes these remedies special is their simplicity. They're not costly treatments or complicated procedures, but natural, gentle supports that work with your body rather than against it. By giving your eyes this kind of care, you're not only preserving vision, you're also protecting the independence, confidence, and joy that come with seeing the world clearly. So ask yourself, which of these oils could make the biggest difference in your life right now? Maybe it's soothing that nightly dryness. Maybe it's protecting your vision for the years ahead. Whatever your answer, the choice you make today can help ensure you enjoy the gift of sight tomorrow. Thank you so much for spending this time with us. I'd love to hear from you. Share in the comments one thing you learned and how you plan to apply it in your life. Your feedback means the world to us, and reading your thoughts always brings encouragement and motivation. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support is what allows us to keep creating meaningful content for you. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.